Again I am repeating, in an equilateral triangle all the medians are equally in length. Look at that, this is equilateral triangle. In that case, B equal to CF equal to AD. In an isosceles triangle, median of two equal sides are equal. Here it is said AB equal to AC, that means this equal to this. So here B equal to CD. And in an scalene triangle, no median will be same in length. In an isosceles triangle, median to the base is perpendicular to the base. That means in the isosceles triangle, here AB equal to AC, and this median which is drawn from here to the baseline, that is actually perpendicular, it is said. That means that is making a 90-degree angle. And in scalene triangle, I already said that all medians are different in length. Okay, then altitude. Altitude means you have to draw a perpendicular line on the opposite side of the vertex. Like from A vertex I have drawn a perpendicular line on the BC, and this AD is known as altitude. Similarly, you can draw BCF. These are altitude, and the point where all the altitude are meeting, this is known as orthocenter. You have to remember the difference. Altitude and median are not same. Median means that is actually touching the other line of the middle point, and here altitude means you are drawing a perpendicular line on the opposite line, and the center where all the altitude are meeting, that is known as orthocenter. Altitude of an equilateral triangle are equal. Whatever altitude you will draw, that are equal in length in case of equilateral triangle. In case of isosceles triangle, altitude of equal side are equal in length. An acute angle triangle, orthocenter of an equilateral triangle lies in the inside the circle, but in case of obtuse angle triangle, orthocenter lies exterior of the triangle. That means that will be outside of the triangle. Orthocenter in case of right angle triangle lies on the vertices containing of the right angle. Next term is perpendicular bisector. That means you will divide all the lines into two equal length. How to do that? You know that you have to take a compass, you have to take more than of its half, and then draw a arc here, draw a arc here, then from it here draw also arc, draw arc. You can, in this way you can divide this line into two equal parts. If you divide all the lines into two equal parts that is intersecting at a point, and these lines are known as perpendicular bisector, and wherever they are meeting, that is known as circumcenter. Circumcenter of an acute angle triangle lies in the interior. Circumcenter of right angle triangle lies on the midpoint of hypotenuse. You can see that this is acute angle triangle, that's why that is in inside of the triangle. Circumcenter of obtuse angle triangle lies on the outside of the triangle. These things you have to remember, because in this exercise you have to solve the short question. Now angle bisector. In the previous perpendicular bisector, in that case you have bisected the lines, and in angle bisector you have to bisect the angle. How to bisect? You know that you just have to take the more than of its half, and then take here, then join here. This is the way by which you can bisect the angle. And if you bisect all the angle that is actually meeting at a point, that is known as in center of a triangle. Okay, let's check the short question now. 16.2. The line joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side is called median. PD, QE, RF are the medians, and O is the centroid. Triangle PQR, you have to draw the triangle PQR, otherwise that will be not clear for you too. The point of concurrence of median of a triangle is called, that means wherever the all medians are joining, that is known as centroid. Actually, that is known as centroid. The centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. The point of concurrence of altitude is called orthocenter. Triangle PQR is right angle at Q, then the altitude are dash and dash. You have to draw that, otherwise you don't understand. In a right angle triangle, the orthocenter is at the, I already said that, you have to read that. I am sending these pictures to you. You have to read that. You have to answer all these questions. You have to understand and the answer. Just writing the answer is not enough. You have to understand whatever fact I have discussed in this video.